Yes, good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to the fifth class. Today we are going to discuss the last concept of this chapter, that is AC generator. So, what do you mean by AC generator? AC generator means it is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So, here we'll convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, and that device is called as AC generator. And we have a principle for AC generator, that is, when a coil rotates in a uniform magnetic field, an EMF will be induced in it. How? Well, let us look into the diagram. And one more thing, whatever output we are getting, that is our alternating EMF. Here, alternating EMF as well as alternating current we are going to get as a output. So look here. Here we are observing A, B, C, D. So I am explaining the construction of AC generator. A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is the coil which is wounded on a soft iron core, and this complete arrangement is called as an armature. As you can observe this armature in your watch also. There is a copper wire wounded on a small rod, thin rod, that will be called as an armature. And you will observe this armature in the water lifting motor also. There also you can observe this armature. It means an coil that should be wounded on a soft iron core, and that arrangement is called as armature. So here the end points of the coil, mean armature, have been connected to the brass rings R1 and R2. R1 and R2 are the brass rings. So here, this end point of the armature or coil will be connected to the brass rings R1 and R2 with the help of shaft. So a shaft means it will be lying on the axis of rotation of the coil. And B1 and B2 are the carbon brushes. Across this B1, B2, we are going to get the output voltage, or you can call it as output EMF and current. Right? So here, this armature is fixed in between the two strong poles of a magnet. So here, the magnetic field produced by the north and south pole is exactly perpendicular to the coil. Okay, you just look here. Just consider this as a coil or armature. Okay, and here we have kept magnetic poles. So here from north pole to south pole, we are going to have a magnetic field lines. Is it clear? And here this armature is free to rotate in this manner. So just imagine three-dimensionally, right now, how to imagine three-dimensionally. Just consider this ductor as a armature or a coil, and here we are supposed to keep on either side the strong magnetic force. Then what it means? So we kept this armature in the field due to the magnetic force. So that means the magnetic field lines there linked with this coil. So when it starts rotating, what happens? This magnetic field lines are going to cut. Okay. So now look here. When it is turned by a 90 degree. During that motion, what happens? The magnetic flux linked or the magnetic field lines which are linked to this phase of the coil, they are going to cut. Then the flux linkage on this phase will change from maximum value to minimum, because it has been cut. Okay. Then again what happens? The field lines again links here. Okay, from 0 to gradually increase till it turns to 180 degree. So during this 0 to 180 degree motion, what happens? The field is, or the flux linkage is going to vary from maximum to zero value. So we can call it as a change in the magnetic flux linked with the coil ABCD. So, due to the variation of magnetic flux, an EMF will be induced inside the coil in one direction. So, look here. So, when it turns to 180 degree, before turning to 180 degree, the whatever flux linkage is here, that is due to north pole of the magnet, this side, from right side. And when it comes here, now look at the space ABCD, it is at the left side. Now whatever the link, magnetic flux link we have here, that is due to south pole. Is it clear? So during this 180 degree rotation, the EMF induced inside this one will reach a from 0 to maximum and then maximum to 0. Now again during the second half rotation, it is going to the flux which is linked due to the south pole. Then again an EMF will be induced in this coil, that too in the opposite direction. Okay. So during one complete cycle, whatever EMF induces inside the coil, that is having two polarities. For each half cycle, the EMF induced inside the coil will increase from 0 to maximum and then maximum to 0 one time for half cycle. Next half cycle again it will increase from 0 to maximum and again from maximum to 0, but that is opposite direction. Okay, so that I am going to write here. So first half cycle, the EMF will be induced from 0 to maximum and then maximum to 0. And next half cycle, so 0 to maximum and maximum to 0, that is opposite direction. In the same manner, current also induced, because here if you have EMF means, that means we are having current also here. Is it clear? This is how the AC generator works. Is it clear? And all the parts are labeled